the training in terms of, well, what do I need to do, Stone Ridge? And we'll give you a plan that we have to work to. We, plural, together, joined at the hip, have to work to. So you need to get a training plan. You need to work the plan. You can mix online with in-person. And when I say in-person, it's in inverted commas, because these days we offer training in a virtual classroom environment. So when I say online, I'm meaning e-learning. No interaction, no Q&A, no test cases. You're just reading stuff or watching stuff. And there's a lot of value in that, but that is not a complete training solution. So do the mix of process flow training with us, mix it with the online training, and then develop a plan for train the trainer. The second most common reason for why implementations fail is you're 2 weeks away from go live and you're frantically training people to do jobs. It doesn't work. Training people requires intention. It requires a plan. People do not learn by watching others working in the system. Couple of other opportunities around training are things like these webinars. Sign up for Tech Talks. Microsoft right now are doing a phenomenal series of Tech Talks around advanced warehousing, and some of that, doing some real deep dives into some of that functionality. Their webinars, Join Connect. Stone Ridge does an event with some really excellent presentations, both technically and functionally. So not only do you need training, but you need to stay up to date on stuff. So get a plan, work the plan, don't leave training last minute. It needs to be the very first thing you do for your BPOs and your SMEs, so that when you go into process design sessions, people know what the system has to offer. So get that training done and then start your implementation. At the end of the implementation, we'll then be training more people. And when I say end, I mean like 90 days before the go live.